Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am bringing you another waffle recipe because you know I love my waffles. Now it's fall, or it's going to be fall, or it may even be fall by the time I get this posted. So in the fall we get a lot of specialty type spices that come out. You know, pumpkin pie spice hits the shelf. We have apple pie spice. If you haven't found that one, definitely get out and pick that up. We also have gingerbread spice. Now this one I found last year and was super excited to find that one. So if you have not found, I mean, I'm sure everybody has pumpkin pie spice, but if you haven't found the apple pie spice or the gingerbread spice, go ahead and look for, just look at your stores. If you find that, definitely pick it up because there's tons of different variations that you can use those for, which I'll try to continue making some of those fall recipes using some of those spices, because again, there's nothing worse than buying a new spice and then you have one use for it. So I'm going to turn you around. This is, again, I'm not sure if I said this already, this is a variation of the Mud Hustler waffles, and I'm just changing it up a little bit. So I'll give you all of the ingredients and measurements as we start going through. So let me turn you around and get you started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is we need a 1/4 cup of the kodiak cakes, and I'm just using the normal buttermilk flavor. So that is 1/4 cup of that. We need 2/3 cup of water, 1 egg, which I don't think you can see here, so we'll just, I don't have my iron on yet. So 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of gingerbread spice, and that looks like this. And what I'll do is I'll put a picture of the 3 spices that I mentioned at the end of the video so that you can see, or you know what, I'll just put them here. Lost my train of thought. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of gingerbread spice and then 1 scoop of the Quest protein powder. Now, you know that I like the Quest. I use it in many, many different things. I was out shopping because I'm running low on the vanilla milkshake flavor, and I was looking for the individual packets. Now, 2 stores that I went to no longer sell the individual packets, so if you see those in your stores, grab them, because it's always nice, again, to have a couple of different flavors so that you can change things up. And it was always easy to try a new flavor when they had the small packets. I don't know if they're changing their packaging or if they're not going to make them. I have no idea. The lady at the store just says that all she knew is they were clearancing them out and that they were gone. So that was all I have. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together for you. Had to grab a handy dandy whisk because you know I never remember to grab everything that I need. And a teaspoon. All right, so we have our 2/3 cup of water here. I'm going to dump 1 egg in with that. It's going to give that a quick stir just to break that up. To that, I'm going to add in 1 scoop of the Quest protein powder. And if you have the packets, just know that 1 packet is equal to 1 scoop. So I'm going to dump that in. Set that off to the side. I have my kodiak cakes, 1/4 cup of that. And then the gingerbread spice, and I'm going to grab 1 teaspoon of that. And just we're going to give that a quick stir. Now, the trick about making these that I found, and I'm not sure if Mud Hustler mentioned that, he may have, but what I found is that you want to let this sit just for a couple of minutes so that the mixture can thicken. I'm just going to take this off the counter so it's not so loud. So that it can thicken a little bit, because you don't want this running all over your waffle makers. I have a layer of dust. I made sure that I wiped that down, and now look, from the protein powder. All right, I'll get that wiped up. I'm going to go ahead and turn my waffle iron on, and then when that gets hot, we will come back and get this waffle started. Okay, so that is our indication that our waffle iron is ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and take some cooking spray And you can use any cooking spray of your choice, but I would recommend definitely spraying your waffle iron with something because otherwise you are going to have a huge mess at the end of the day. Spray one side, spray the other side. Then we're going to go ahead and put some of our waffle mixture in. I know it's a bad angle, isn't it? Hold on. Let me get you back around here. All right, that looks good. Going to close my waffle iron. I love this waffle iron. I've had it for years and years and years. I don't even know if they still sell this one. All right, so we're going to spray this side and that side and put the rest on this side. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and close that down, and then I will come back to you when our waffles are finishing up and show you our final product. I love making waffles because they're so quick and easy, and they actually take no time at all. So hang tight, let's see the magic happen. Okay, our waffle iron has beeped. We're gonna go ahead and flip this over, pull the first one out. Look at that. Nice, crispy, yummy. I always forget which way to turn it. All right, so here's our other one, which also beeped. So bam, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna turn off our waffle iron. I'm gonna reposition you and hold please. Okay, so here are, I wanna make sure I don't slide these off because that would be super sad. Here are our waffles. And as I show you the waffles, I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for following along on my channel, for having fun with me, for all your comments. Thank you, thank you. I mean, I'm having so much fun over here, and just knowing that I'm helping and people are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out really, I mean, really keep me motivated. So thank you, thank you. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off from here. I'm going to enjoy these waffles while they are hot. And did I mention both waffles? 3 SmartPoints. Can't go wrong with that, right? 3. All right, so jumping off here, I'm going to eat, and we will see you at the next video.